The first ground is non-compliance of essential conditions of Section 16C of the Specific Relief Act full stop. It provides that specific performance of a contract cannot be enforced in favor of a person who fails to ever and prove that he has performed or has always been ready and willing to perform the essential terms of the contract which are to be performed by him other than terms the performance of which has been prevented or waived by the defendant full stop. From this provision, it is clear that a person who fails to ever and prove that he has performed or has always been ready and willing and is still ready and willing to perform the essential terms of the contract is not entitled to a decree for specific performance of contract full stop. It is essential that the plaintiff has to aver in the plaint that he has performed his part of the obligations under the contract or has always been ready and willing to perform his part of the contract full stop. Readiness and willingness both have to be averred as well as proved by the plaintiff seeking a decree for specific performance even if there is averment about the plaintiff's readiness to perform his part of the obligations under the contract, but there is omission or failure to allege in the plaint willingness of the plaintiff to perform his part of the obligation under the contract. The suit for specific performance is bound to be dismissed full stop. The law requires that there should be allegation in the plaint regarding readiness and willingness of the plaintiff to perform his part of the obligation under the contract, and this readiness and willingness should have always been shown by the plaintiff full stop. In addition to such allegation, there should be specific allegation and there should be specific proof by the plaintiff that he has been ready and willing to perform his part of the obligation under the contract full stop. Again, if in evidence mere readiness of the plaintiff is established but not willingness, the suit for a specific performance is bound to fail full stop. Similarly, if the willingness of the plaintiff to perform his part of the obligation is proved but not readiness, in that case no decree for specific performance can be granted full stop. In addition to this explanation of section 16C of the Specific Relief Act provides that for the purpose of clause C, the plaintiff must aver performance of or readiness and willingness to perform the contract according to its true construction full stop. In the light of these provisions, we have examined the allegations made in the plaint whose translated copy is in the compilation annexure 1 full stop. The plaint contains only 7 paragraphs full stop. We have carefully examined this plaint, but we are at a loss to find that there is no allegation in the plaint that the plaintiffs have performed their part of the obligation under the contract, or that they have always been ready and willing to perform their part of the contract full stop. In the absence of such an averment in the plaint, the suit for a specific performance is liable to be dismissed full stop.